Hello everyone and welcome again to my YouTube channel and welcome if you are new on this channel. So today I'm going to create this geometry using part design within Catia V5 and this is going to be a component that I will be using in an assembly that I will do in a few days, and I will use that assembly as well to make a mechanism within kinematics. So if you want to see it, uh, take a look into my next video. But today let's create this geometry. Let's see, an easy geometry. Yes, we are going to use just basic commands. So first one is going to be create the sketch that we need to create the main geometry that we will do using a shaft operation. So let's create the axis, and now let's use profile to create the geometry more or less, and we will add dimensions later on. So we have the main geometry there, and we can start adding dimensions. So the top, let's start the bottom one. It will be a diameter of 19.05. Top one will be, let's see, 12.7. This dimension is going to be 38.10. Okay, and what else do we have? Do we have this dimension 14.06 and do and we have this one 16.94. Okay, so let's rotate and there it is. Let's okay, okay, I have made a mistake because I'm using diameter dimensions, but they should be just radius. So we can use formula just to force Catia to do the radius. So in this case will be 12.7 millimeters divided by 2. In this case, if we do the same, it will be 19.05 millimeters divided by 2. Don't forget to add the millimeters because if not, Catia will consider the dimension as meters. So it is very important you to use the millimeters there. Okay, yeah, it looks much better now. So let's put it in isometric. Now sketch on the top and we will create the flat portion, which will be done just projecting this line, creating here straight line, and let's put this dimension. It will be 11.11. Okay, so we can now just quick trim, and this is what we are going to use in a hole, which will be 5.56 millimeter steps. Okay, so now let's aim for the hole on the bottom. Okay, and this hole is not concentric, so we need to define the delta between centers, which is 0.79. Okay, this diameter is going to be 11.11. And now we can do the hole, which is 14.06, isn't it? 14.06. Okay, we have it there. So let's put it in isometric again. And in this case, we are going to use this plane to create a sketch there. And it will be just a tiny hole there. So if I do this, so this is going to be again uh, 0.79 from the vertical axis, diameter to 0.38, and dimension in set, oops, is going to be, let's see, 6.35. 6.35. And now we can just use that hole to create, sorry, that sketch to create a hole. Okay, make it to last. And here it is, the one of the components that we are going to use into the next, or into an assembly that we will create in a few weeks time. So here you have the dimensions again, just in case you want to double check it. And if you have enjoyed this video, just uh, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about 3D software within YouTube. Okay, that's all folks. See you soon. Bye.